So that the equation 3 sine theta cos theta divided by 2 sine theta minus 1 is equals to 5 tan theta. Sine theta is not equal to 1 by 2 can be written in the form of 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta is equal to 0. So when we check this, we need to write it in the form of 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta. Here we can see only sine terms are there. So wherever we have cos and tan, we need to change it into sine. We don't need cos, we don't need tan, we need only sine. So 3 sine theta, this is the A part here, 3 sine theta cos theta divided by 2 sine theta minus 1 is equals to 5 into tan theta can be written as sine theta over cos theta. If we have two fractions and in between equal to sign, we have to do cross multiplication. So 3 sine theta cos theta into cos theta. That will give you 3 sine theta into cos square theta is equal to 5 sine theta into 2 sine theta minus 1. So cos square theta, as we know that everything is in terms of sine theta, we need to change that cos square theta using trigonometric identity. So 3 sine theta into cos square theta will become 1 minus sine square theta is equals to 5 sine theta into 2 sine theta will be 10 sine square theta, and 5 sine theta into minus 1 will be minus 5 sine theta. Expanding the bracket on the left hand side, 3 sine theta into 1 is 3 sine theta minus 3 sine theta into sine square theta will be 3 sine cube theta is equal to 10 sine square theta minus 5 sine theta. Now, here, let's bring all the terms to the right hand side. So we have 3 sine theta, sorry, everything let's bring it to the right hand side here. So we have minus 3 sine cube theta goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive 3 sine cube theta. Already there is 10 sine square theta on the right hand side, so this will be plus 10 sine square theta. And we have a minus 5 sine theta on the right hand side. 3 sine theta goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3 sine theta. So minus 5 sine theta minus 3 sine theta will give you minus 8 sine theta is equals to 0. This is what we had to prove. 3 sine cube theta plus 10 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta is equal to 0. So hence proved. Now for the B part here, solve for x. The interval for x is given as greater than minus pi by 4 less than pi by 4. Now here we can see that instead of theta, what we have here is when we compare the equations in the part A and part B, instead of theta we have 2x. So this is the interval for x and we have 2x here. So change the interval. To make it 2x, multiply the whole thing by 2. Minus pi by 4 into 2 will be minus pi by 2, and pi by 4 into 2 will be pi by 2. This will be the new interval. Now 3 sine square 2x cos 3 sine 2x cos 2x divided by 2 sine 2x minus 1 is equals to 5 tan 2x. We already solved that. We have the equation in terms of theta. Change that theta to 2x. So this will become 3 sine cube 2x plus 10 sine square 2x minus 8 sine 2x is equal to 0. Let sine 2x is equals to y. So this will become 3y cube plus 10y square minus 8y is equal to 0. We are just replacing sine 2x with y. So this will become 3y cube 10 plus 10y square minus 8y is equal to 0. I can see that y is common in all the three terms. So we'll take y outside. We'll get 3y square plus 10y minus 8 is equal to 0. Factorize it. 3 into 2, 3 into 8 is 24. So we need to find out the factors of 24 minus 24. We need to get two numbers in such a way. When we multiply, we will get minus 24, and when we add them, we should get 10. So that is 2 times 12, positive 12 and minus 2. When we add these two, we will get 10, and when we multiply them, we will get minus 24. So splitting the middle term, we are going to use. So 3y square plus 12y minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Keeping the middle sign as it is, splitting them into two groups. 3y into y plus 4 minus 2 into y. Minus into minus is plus. 4 is equal to 0. So 3y minus 2 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. We will get y is equals to 2 by 3 and y is equals to minus 4. Along with that, we have this y. We need to keep that y. So we need to equate this y as well. So y is equals to 0 will also be there. Now we know instead of y, we have to take sine 2x, resubstitute it. So this will become sine 2x is equals to 2 by 3, and sine 2x is equals to minus 4, and sine 2x is equals to 0. We know that the sine values, its maximum and minimum is positive 1 and negative 1. So sine maximum is 1 and minimum is minus 1. So sine value cannot be greater than 1 or cannot be less than minus 4. So this does not exist. We can ignore this. So sine 2x is equals to 2 by 3. So make sure that your calculator is in radians mode because it's given pi by 4 and minus pi by 4. The modified interval is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So to get 2x will be sine inverse of 2 by 3. So sine inverse of 2 by 3, sine inverse of 2 divided by 3 is 0.730. So 2x will be 0.730. Therefore, x will be 0.730 divided by 2, which is 0.365. 0.365. So now sine 2x is equal to 0. So 2x will be sine inverse of 0. What is sine inverse of 0? Is 0. So 2x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0.365 and x is equal to 0 will be your final answer. Now, this is only between 0 to pi by 2 and minus pi by 2, only the first quadrant. That's why we are satisfied with the first answer, 0.365. If it was, we know that sign value is positive in the second quadrant also. If it was between minus pi to pi, then we would have taken we would have used the cast diagram to get the value for in the second quadrant. Here, uh, again, sine 0. 0 will be like 360 degrees also 0, but we need only till pi by 2. So that's why we take only 0, only one value here. So I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, feel free to write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching.